And in reality, you don't test your limits every single day. Ang sakit kaya sa ulo pag lagi kang gigil na gigil. Ayan, lagi kang pagod, lagi kang ubos, lagi kang sagad. And if you're doing every single day, paano ka ngayon magre-recover? Same with adulting, sooner or later, or burnout ka, you always think that every day should have a big noticeable progress. And dun ko na-realize that easy pace doesn't mean that you're weak, doesn't mean that you're lazy. Ang natutunan ko, based on experience, easy pace helps you build your foundation. Kasi yung easy pace mo ngayon, eventually bibilis din yung easy pace mo eh.